Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add zoom hover effect on image in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see add element, so click on it and then you see multiple option and then you see box and then you see theme box, container boxes, hover boxes. Now select hover boxes and you see multiple layout. Now select this. To add, just drag and drop like this, so you can change position. Now our box is added, so we are going to remove this. So right click on it and then click on delete. So we are going to delete this section. So we delete text on image, click on it. So we are in regular mode, then click on hover and then in hover you see read more. So click on it and then click on delete. So now we are going to change image. So click on regular, again click on it and then you see change image. So click on it. So you can select image according to requirement. So we select this image. Now click on choose image. Now image is added. If you want to change size, now click on it and then you can resize it like this. Now you see. So we are in regular mode and then click on hover and then you see choose effect. So click on it. Now you see multiple effect, grow, shrink. Now select grow and then you see customize. So click on it. So you can set grow to according to requirement. Now select 110. Now make it less and then click on publish. Now click on view site. So we are in about page and then scroll down, you see image. Now hover on it. Now you see grow effect. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.